Welcome to Biosciences at Loughborough University. My name's Fran. I'm just going to give you a quick tour on some of the facilities you'll be able to use while studying here. So this is one of our anatomy labs where we learn about anatomy and physiology, evolution and also body composition. One of the things I really like about these labs is we're able to put theory into practice, and it's just a different environment to lectures. Understanding human anatomy is a really important building block to help us better understand other parts of human biology. In this anatomy lab, we use models to help us really visualise the anatomy we're being taught. Physiology is about understanding the function of the human body. At Loughborough, we get the opportunity to take part in our own experiments and understand how our own body functions. One of the important things when learning about human biology is understanding human evolution. Body composition literally means what the body is made up from. It's important to know about this so we can relate it to health but also body performance. This is a bioelectrical impedance device which allows us to measure body fat percentage, muscle and also body water. Another way of measuring body composition is using ultrasound. This device can measure fat thickness as well. I'm in the bod pod, which uses air displacement plethysmography to measure body composition. The pod uses pressure to measure body volume, which can then be used to predict body fat percentage. One of the highlights of the course for me was picking my final year research project. I decided to pick a project that was really hands-on, recruiting and measuring participants. Through the course of the project, I found ways of identifying dangerous fat patterning and techniques that could be applied to the clinical setting. We have wet labs where we learn practical and technical skills that are highly transferable to the scientific careers. We cover areas such as biochemistry, cell and molecular biology and genetics. At Loughborough, we have the opportunity to access anonymised samples all the way from clinical patients with a range of health conditions to elite athletes. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all the facilities here at Loughborough University. I've had a great time studying here and I've managed to secure a job with the NHS as a clinical scientist. I hope you get to make it to campus soon so you can see all the facilities for yourself in person.